What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the 7 dividend payments that I got in the month of August, which totals $669.41. Now, I do have a really big portfolio. However, the majority of my money is not necessarily invested in companies that pay dividends aggressively. So a lot of people will say, well, if your portfolio is over $200,000, why are you only getting $669 in dividend payments for the month? And that has a lot to do with the fact that I have a huge chunk of my money with Apple and Tesla doesn't pay dividends, and Apple's dividend payment has been cut, of course, since coronavirus. So I may as well not even count Apple as a dividend paying company, even though they do pay dividends. However, we're talking about the 7 dividend payments that I got in the month of October. Now, hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so currently on the screen, I'm going to be sharing with you my current portfolio with Robinhood. And as you guys can see right now, my portfolio is currently valued at $230,000. This is live as of the making of this particular video. In regards to the amount of money that I have invested in the stock market, I have invested in the stock market $255,000, $255,600.30. So $255,600.30 I have invested in the stock market in regards to my Robinhood portfolio, which means that overall I am currently down a lot of money because I have invested $255,000. So since that amount, I'm basically down $25,000, which obviously is never a good thing, but it's the stock market. So what are we gonna do? Anyway, in this video, I want to show you guys the 7 dividend payments that I got in the month of August, and I'm gonna also show you that that dividend payment was also reinvested in my Robinhood account. So what I'll do here is I'll click on this to show you the 7 dividend payments. As you can see, the first one here is in August 9th, on August 9th with AG&C Investment. I had a dividend payment in the amount of $25.36, as you can see here. Currently, I had 211 shares, and AG&C is paying 12 cents per share. So that was my AG&C dividend payment. The next one was from Apple on August the 11th. At that particular time, I had 1,268 shares with Apple, and Apple is paying 23 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $291.76. Then I got another dividend payment with Stag Industrial. Stag Industrial pays dividends monthly, as well as AG&C. They pay dividends monthly. So you can see here on August the 15th, I got a dividend payment here. And at that particular time, I had 252 shares, and Stag Industrial was paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment for $30.68. The next one is with Kinder Morgan. They pay dividends quarterly. As you can see, I had 114 shares at the time, and they're paying 27 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $31.71. The next one is Prospect Capital. As you can see here on August 18th, at the time I had 1,587 shares. Prospect Capital is paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $95.23. Prospect Capital pays dividends monthly. The next one up is Armor Residential REIT. They also pay dividends monthly as well. I had 1,206 shares, and they're paying 10 cents a share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $120 from Armor Residential REIT. And then, of course, we have Gladstone Capital on August the 31st, who also pays dividends monthly. At the time, I had 1,096 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $74. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys individually here every single company as far as what my average cost is in regards to where I am overall. So the first one up is not Armor Residential. The first one up is AG&C Investment. As you guys can see here, my average cost per share is $14.80, and currently AG&C Investment is trading for $12.01. So my total return is I'm down negative 18%, which is negative $595. However, I was able to get some more shares with my dividend payment here. I will show you guys the most recent dividend payment and the fact that Robinhood went ahead and grabbed more shares. So as you can see here, on the 9th, I was paid $25.36. And then also on the 9th, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 2.02 shares at $12.53. So the $12.53 is still below my average cost, which is $14.80. Obviously, AGNC Investment right now is trading for $12.01 at the making of this particular video. All right, so the next one up is Apple. My total return with Apple, I'm up 3%, which is funny because, of course, I was up a lot more than this. 3% for me happens to be $6,000. I can show you guys the most recent dividend payment that I got with Apple and the fact that it was reinvested because I have dividend reinvestment turned on Robinhood. So as you can see here, I got a dividend payment on August the 11th for $291.76. And then Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 1.71 shares, and it was for $169.92. Now, of course, Apple is trading currently now for $154 right now. Okay, this is live as I'm making this particular video. So, of course, that happens from time to time, but the purpose of me having dividend reinvestment turned on Robinhood is just that Robinhood goes ahead and grabs the shares for me and I don't have to worry about it. Now, of course, I could get lucky and, could time it perfectly where I'm purchasing and, like today, for example, right, Apple's trading for $154 versus Robinhood purchasing it at $169. But knowing my luck, it never really works out that way. All right, the next company is Stag Industrial. Right now, Stag is currently trading for $31.35. My average cost per share is $40.24. My total return with Stag Industrial, I'm down negative 22%, which is negative $2,250. Let me scroll down here and show you that I got a dividend payment on August the 15th. And Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 0.875 shares. And at the time, Stag was trading for $35.18. Right now, it's trading for $31.35. The next one up is Kinder Morgan. Kinder Morgan pays dividends quarterly. My average cost per share is $14.75. My total return is I'm up 22%, which is $380. I'm going to scroll down here and show you my most recent dividend payment, which was for $31.71. And right above that, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 1.69 shares. At the time, it was for $18.70. Right now, Kinder Morgan is trading for $18.03. Obviously, the entire market is down. Well, I feel like it's down. At least my portfolio is down. The next one up is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital is currently trading for $7.50. My average cost per share is $7.26. My total return is I'm up 3%, which is $381. And then my most recent dividend payment here, as you guys can see, was on, wow, give me 1 second. I accidentally clicked on another company. Okay, as you can see here, my most recent dividend payment was for $95.23, and right above that, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 11.79 share, and at the time it was for $8.07, which is more than it's trading for right now. Right now it's trading for $7.50. Okay, the next one up is Amor Residential REIT. My average cost per share is $10.77. My total return, I'm down 33%, which is negative $4,421. I got the dividend payment here, as you guys can see, for $120 and 68 cents. Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 16.56 shares at $7.28. Right now, Amor Residential REIT is trading for $7.16. The last one is Gladstone Capital. My average cost per share is $10.83. My total return, I'm down negative 8%, which is negative $969. As you can see here, I got a dividend payment from Gladstone Capital for $74. And then right above that, Robinhood grabbed 7.27 shares. At the time, it was trading for $10.17. Right now, it's trading for $9.95. it's interesting because in this video, the majority of the reinvested dividend payment right now, the price across the board for every single one of them is trading lower than what it was once I got that dividend payment. So now I'm like, should I turn off dividend reinvestment plan on Robinhood and try to time the market? I know that I could probably get lucky and probably purchase some shares at a lower cost, possibly. Fingers crossed I could. I don't know, maybe I'll experiment with that and kind of see how that feels. All right, but I just wanted to make this video and share with you guys the 7 dividend payments that I got in the month of August, which equals $669.41. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.